Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing console access and power information. Do it now. Connect to the local serial console or IPME to capture boot output because logs disappear after reboot. Once connected, verify chassis power and PSU LEDs, then ping the management IP to confirm network reachability. If ping fails, check switch port and VLAN assignment immediately. You need a live control path before touching services. This step prevents wasted changes and gives you the context needed to repair the server offline state. Once you have console and logs, dig into the operating system. Use journoctl and dmesc to find kernel panics, file system errors, or services failing early. If the root file system is suspect, boot into rescue or single user, mount read-only, and run fsck on the problematic partitions. Do not force writes until integrity is confirmed. Meanwhile, check systemctl for failed units and network configuration. Resolving network or DNS issues often restores monitoring and remote management. You bring the server back by methodically restarting services and validating outcomes. Restart one critical service at a time so you can isolate failures. If a firmware or driver bug caused the offline condition, apply the specific patch or rollback you prepared, then perform a controlled reboot. Once services are stable, create backups or snapshots and document the exact fixes. If things go wrong, the single best troubleshooting tip is to keep the serial/IPME console open and capture continuous logs. Those live traces reveal failures that postmortem logs often miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.